Hey, how you doing? It's Dan McDonald. I'm the Life Regenerator here on YouTube. I want to thank you for joining me for today's episode of the Life Regenerator Show. I got a really cool, quick show for you today. Let me share with you some really awesome juicing recipes. But before I do, I just want to encourage you to start the daily juicing habit. I don't think there's any other single thing that you can do to add years to your life and life to your years than by adopting the daily juicing habit. Let me show you these recipes are here that I'm taking today to the hot springs with me so that I can flush, cleanse, heal, energize, and detoxify and keep my body in tip-top shape. So check it out. This one right here is the alkalizer. This one is for people who are in pain. It's also going to be good for bad breath. And it's fully loaded with alkaline minerals. It's coconut, cucumber, celery, and cilantro, okay? So that's going to be the alkalizer. If someone wants to transcribe this down below, that would help me out a lot. That way everyone can copy and paste and start making a little recipe book that they can use every day for the daily juicing habit and the transformation of their health. This one here is the Nourisher. That's all I can say about it. Now guess what that one is right there in the middle? That is just plain old carrot juice. And it is very soothing and healing and nourishing for the body. This next one here is pretty amazing. It is going to be blood orange, regular orange, turmeric, and ginger. That one's going to clean you up real good with the anti-inflammatory effects of the ginger and the turmeric. You're going to feel a lot of energy from this one as well. This one is just a nice simple blood orange and wonderfully delicious there. Here we've got the ultimate, that is pomegranate and mandarin, a brand new recipe here on the Life Regenerator channel. I made that one right there. That's going to be a blood purifier, blood builder, as well as a cleanser and detoxifier. I made that one over here in this juicer right here that someone sent me, and it is an amazing piece of equipment. And I am very, very blessed and like to thank the person who sent that to me. And so what I'm going to do is take these juices here and put them into this cooler, and then I'm going to go up to the hot springs today, harvest some spring water, and flush out the body. Then later on tonight, what I'll do, see, all these are fairly sweet here. What I'll do tonight is I will come home to finish off the juice cleanse today with a low glycemic green juice, okay? So here we've got the abundance, the fruits and the veg, the coconuts here, and some more fruits and vegetables over here. Okay, so thank you very much for giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for subscribing to these videos if you haven't already. And I look forward to catching up with you tomorrow about the winner of the tickets to the Raw Living Expo. Thank you all very much. The daily juicing habit. Get on it, baby. I'm out. Peace.